Hey everyone, this is my week 3 assignment for the PromineoTech Bootcamp. This week we were tasked to create a new website using HTML and Bootstrap. So if you take a look, I don't have a styles.css file. So everything that I've done here is referencing the bootstrap.css or the bootstrap.bundle.js or the jQuery.js files that I've downloaded through Node npm. So just to explain the assignment, we're tasked to create at least 2 web pages, a Bootstrap navbar, table, and form. We're also supposed to use a Bootstrap grid to format elements. So just to explain my code here, I've kind of collapsed them and organized them with the text, and I've also provide description using this comment. So first off, in order to get the Bootstrap files to be able to reference them, I've added this line here. It's pretty much standard. And then these two script sources allow me to reference these specific files, which this helps create, or this creates the drop down that you see here. So first off, I have the alert at the top. Pretty much this was me when I was following the instructions to adding Bootstrap to my project, which this was the main part of it. But yeah, that was my first text that I did for the website. The nav bar here that you see is described, or the code is for here, is here. Pretty much here are the classes that help define the theme of the nav bar. Underneath here, I have the arrow birds button, which is pretty much my main page. We have defined by the navbar brand. The page is index.html. That's just where I have the main page. All the card information is here. And below I have the these are the different links on the nav bar. So the second page, third page, about me, fun stuff. It's all here. And then what you see here are different cards that I've created. I work for United Airlines, so we learned a bunch of different planes that we have in our fleet. So I've just kind of created a simple cards for the different types of planes. Even though I don't have every specific, we have like the 737, 900, 900ER. So I didn't include those. I just included the base just for simplicity's sake. And that all the cards are defined by this code here. I'm gonna collapse them just because they're pretty much repetitive, but this one here has a little bit more stuff to it that I can, just because I commented it. So this pretty much defines the color of the card, the width size. So if I put 22, it makes it even wider. Just to keep it the same. Put that at 18. This defines the height of the card, the picture that I use. So I downloaded the picture off the internet and then I created a folder. And that's where I stored all the pictures. This defines the card title, card text, the size, color, and everything. That's it for the cards. Pretty much this, I added this into a Bootstrap grid, which is defined by the container. But it's defined by this text here. But yeah, container columns, size 6, text center, and it creates a row. For my second page is pretty much the same thing, same nav bar. There's nothing there that I've added, just left it blank. For the third page, just kind of change it up. I did add a table, just kind of showing the having, well, my plan was to kind of put the description of the engines on the different planes, the Boeing planes, and the size. Didn't really get to it. But here's the code. It's pretty much just a standard table with some class selectors that are defined by the bootstrap.css file. About me, same thing, just an nav bar, nothing on there. And then just the drop down. Yeah, that's my project for week 3. Thank you for listening.